And okay, so we're on the D&D Beyond.
All right.
With Liliane, the character I created from the previous video. Real fast, can you see on my screen?
Yes.
Okay, right here where my mouse is that supposed to be there? I mean, I removed the extension, but is that dice still supposed to be there?
I am not entirely sure. Oh, what are you pointing over to the side there? What is that?
It says like D4, D6, D8, D100, D10, D12, and D20.
Have they? I remembered seeing an option about some kind of dice being added. Yeah. So.
So this is actually a new thing on
Yeah,
our deal.
Yeah, they have added this to Beyond20.
So that has nothing to do with Roll20. Okay, so we have D&D Beyond up here with Liliane, and then we have also, I've already logged into Roll20 on this other tab with my other deal. And so we're going to try to link the two. Do you have, first of all, do you have to be logged into both things to link them?
To actively link them. I mean, it will work.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of to send you this somehow, and I guess I have this. So let me start off by sending you a link to this game. I'm sending you a link to join my campaign.
Okay.
On D&D Beyond, and also a link to join my game on Roll20, so that way I can see.
Okay. So what? Okay, so I got a link to join a campaign.
Gotcha.
There we go.
Yeah. So yeah.
Okay.
So then you've already got your character made, and so you just choose Liliane.
And then join with this character.
Join with this character.
Okay.
And so now you see me, and you see, oh, I am with a bunch of other people. And then the second link I sent you.
Go back over here.
Takes you to an actual game.
Okay, and then I want to launch the game, right?
Launch the game. Mm-hmm.
If you have any problems, check to make sure you're not using Internet Explorer, because the Roll20 tends to have issues with Internet Explorer. That's correct.
Yeah, we've had the best luck using either Google Chrome or Firefox.
Okay.
And the extension that we're going to demonstrate, D&D Beyond and Roll20 work together well, is only available at this point for Google Chrome or Firefox.
Okay. So I'm in the game. It's loaded up.
All right. Yep. So let's go back to your character sheet now. Okay, so we can see there's your character sheet, and you don't have Beyond20 dice.
No.
On the screen yet that are gonna make things easy for you. So let's open a new tab.
New tab.
And search Beyond20. Now, the first result coming up there is the extension for Google Chrome.
But we want for Firefox.
Yeah, and the second one is for Beyond20's website. The third one is irrelevant. Like about the fifth one, right?
Yeah, it's right here. It says addonsmozilla.org.
Okay, so since you're using Firefox, you will click on that.
Okay. So basically look for the one that's going to be the extension for the browser that you're using.
Correct.
Either. Okay. So you're going to add to Firefox.
Right. Or if you were using Google Chrome, then it would say add to Chrome.
Chrome, yes.
So then add.
And
you're going to allow that.
Allow. Yep. And now I go back here and you got a little, okay, I'm going to refresh just because it's starting to show up, but I want to refresh. And as it comes up, you see here at the top, the B red dice has shown up in my browser next to where the favorite star is, and now the dice is now appearing, and it actually appears a little bit differently now, it looks like, but they're all here.
Yeah, they may have changed. Yeah, it looks like it appears now by hovering, so that's a little different. But you can tell that you've installed it correctly if you look right above your charisma score, kind of there in the center. You see that little Beyond 20. Yep, right there. Yeah, right there. So that lets you know, oh, good, it's there. And then anything you hover over now, you can hover over your charisma score. If the DM asks you to do a charisma check, you can hover over initiative. If you're going into an encounter and the DM says, okay, everybody roll for initiative, then it's there. Yep, you're finding it under attack.
So if I wanted to test something to show them what it looks like over connecting to Roll20, I can hit intelligence.
Or let's try initiative. Initiative is a nice one to do since that's kind of where things often begin. Right there in the middle.
Right
towards, here? No, go to your right. It's in a little
further.
Yep, that's
okay.
it. Yeah. Yeah, so you click on that.
Okay.
Now let's go over to Roll20.
Oh, I heard something.
Yep, I heard it.
Loop. Okay, there it is. Initiative 5.
Right, and now it's telling us if we were getting ready to play a game, I'd probably ask everyone to change their screen names so they would match up. But yours is set to kitten, and so you can see like, oh, there's it does have the character's name. Yeah, it's just in light gray in the bottom of the box.
Yeah.
So then we all look and everybody can see. Oh, Lillian rolled a. She has a +2, but she must have rolled really low because she only got a 5. And so it's going to automatically roll anything you click on now in Beyond 20. And it's going to pick the right dice for you and all of that. I'm trying to remember. Let me see if I'm going to refresh my screen and see if I can see.
And then I'm
going Leanne now. There you are. I like that purple hair. That's right. Wood Elf Barbarian. That was fun.
Okay.
Trying out some more rolls.
There it is. There's my. I wanted to see.
I
changed my name, and then that's how some people do it. Okay, and then
that's helpful.
There.
And so you when it came to your turn, then you're attacking with a javelin, and you got a nice roll there, and then you did a charisma check. If we're maybe having some social interaction with a character, the DM might call for one of those, and so it just anything that a player who's installed the extension, anything they want to roll, it's gonna produce that red D20 shape with the B in the middle for Beyond 20, and you click on it, it's going to roll.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Hopefully everyone else will be able to log in with their characters now and update it to Roll20.
Yep.
Okay.
Great. It was fun as always, and we wish you all happy gaming.